YouTube, we got it in the mail. We got the Black Masters. I'm not even gonna, wait a minute. I'm not even gonna act like I don't know what it is. It's the Black Masters, and if it ain't, I'm gonna be mad. All right, you see what it is. Black Masters. Off rip. Let's just cut through the cheese. Is these things quiet? That's the bottom line. I don't care about nothing else. I don't care about no box. I don't care about no plastic. I don't care about nothing else but it's being quiet. I don't care about charging it first. Take this sticker off. I don't need it. We don't care about the cap. Take that off. Boom. It look good. You see the blade. You see the blade. It look good. But is it quiet? Let's see. Let's do the comparison. These things is loud. Every time I cut, I be trying to talk to my client. He can't hear me.
Have a nice day, bro.
All right. Let's see. Do you but do you think it's enough?
Enough what?
It's a big difference? It's a big difference? Okay, all right. Okay. It needs to be more of a difference to me because hey, when I first got them, these was kind of quiet. I thought that these are quiet. These definitely are more quiet, but I was expecting a little more. But they look good though. No doubt that they look good. I'm interested in the blade to see what the blade do though. All right, review on the way.
360 Divi. 360 Divi. 360, 360, 360.
Where you get your beats?
Alright YouTube, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is pick the hair out or lay the hair down, whichever hairstyle you're dealing with. You want to make sure that it's nice and neat, alright, before you start cutting, because how you start is how you finished. All right, so make sure you start off neat. So what I did was I started off by shaping the afro at the top. I didn't get to actually film it. I don't know what was going on with my camera to where it just cut off, but after I was done like shaping it with the clippers, I went ahead and grabbed my shears and just started working at the top, cleaning everything up. Next, it's time to work on the taper. I'm gonna be setting my first guideline in, which is the bald line, using my M-Force Andis T outliners, all right? So I'm gonna make it in a rainbow-like shape and make sure that it's real nice and neat. Now with my M-Force Masters with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I follow that rainbow-like shape guideline that I set with my trimmers. Next, putting on the one guard with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch around that same rainbow-like shape that I set with my lever open and my trimmers. So I'm not gonna focus on the bulk that's on the top. I'm just gonna work my way back down, blending down. And I'm gonna use my zero guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line, only using my corners. After that, in a flick out motion with the lever fully closed, using only your corners, flick out that bottom line. Remember, start below the line, flick to the line, and adjust your lever as you go up. So lastly, I'm gonna focus on building that shape at the top of the bolt. I got my lever closed and I'm basically just freehanding at the top, all right? I'm just trying to make it as clean as possible, making it flow as much as possible. And after this, I will do some detailed work, making sure that everything is nice and, you know, the transition is nice and smooth. So what I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows me a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, if you don't have a mirror, you wanna look away from the blend, come back to it, and detail as well. As far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. I set in my bolt line, I set in my lever open, I go in with my one guard open, then I'll work my way back down, smoothing out that middle line with the zero guard closed, then taking out that bottom line with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion. And then I'm gonna basically attack the bulk at the top, all right? Basically freehand everything into the afro and just detail my work as much as possible after that. So lastly, my client wanted a curl sponge at the top, so I went ahead and put some nappy product in my client's hair. That's what the product is called. It's called nappy paste. So I put that in his hair, and I'm gonna use my curl sponge and just curl it, and I'm gonna use it in a circular motion. You're gonna have to do this about like 5 minutes to get it to curl, so don't just think that it's supposed to curl instantly. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
You too. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His Instagram will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.
Jizzy.